Good morning, AEA. My name is David Copeland, and I am the Director of Sales and Customer Support for Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics. We're excited to be here in Palm Springs to introduce several new products that we are confident will benefit you, as well as your customers and prospects. So let's take a look.
Powerful new products from Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics and True Blue Power are ready for takeoff. Let's go. Charge faster and stay connected longer with the new high-power MD93H digital clock USB charger. The new MD93H features a dual USB interface. This compact 2-inch unit delivers 3 amps per port to simultaneously charge electronic flight bags, cell phones, tablets, and other electronic devices at full power. The digital clock provides easy operation with 5 modes: local time, Zulu time, flight time, countdown timer, and stopwatch, from the leader in more electric aircraft technology. Available and shipping today. Where in the world can you find the only certified lithium-ion main chip batteries? Introducing True Blue Power's 5th generation lithium-ion aircraft batteries. The TB20, 30, and 40 are True Blue Power's first lithium-ion batteries that offer on-condition maintenance. These are the only lithium-ion batteries that can be programmed to meet the needs of each specific aircraft, including charge current limit, end-of-life capacity, minimum dispatch capacity, and engine start readiness. The True Blue Power Gen 5 intelligent battery systems communicate extremely accurate and reliable real-time state of charge and state of health data. The built-in test indicator requires no external test equipment, load banks, or auxiliary power. The TB20, 30, and 40 weigh up to 60% less and deliver more amp hours per pound than any other battery. More power for engine starts, more energy for emergency and backup power, ultra-fast recharge, and longer life. These ultra-lightweight batteries eliminate the challenges of heavy lead-acid and NiCad batteries. No more toxic metals or acid spills, and much safer for the environment. Need an easy-to-install and maintain emergency cabin lighting power supply? Introducing the new TS60 series Emergency Battery Power Supply. Providing constant power for emergency lighting systems in the event of electrical system failure, the TS60 is a drop-in replacement for Honeywell Grimes NiCad power supplies and battery assemblies. The True Blue Power TS60 cuts removal and replacement time in half, reduces maintenance costs, and significantly improves capacity checks. Capacity checks are required only once every 2 years, and there is no need to take the aircraft out of service or send the unit to a battery shop for special equipment. Available and shipping today.
Stop by and see us at booth 625 as we look forward to showing you these new products as well as our other avionics, instruments, and power solutions. Thank you and have a great show.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 62nd Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Palm Springs, California, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.